Hi everyone. Today I will do the introduction about the CAM550. So CAM550 is a 4K dual lens PTZ conferencing camera suitable for medium to large room. Okay, so it's a guidance for selling the CAM550. So here is top 6 selling point about the CAM550. So first one, this one camera is dual lens camera, so it can offer the wide angle clarity or about the meeting room. So the first one is the 4K 24 times PTZ camera with 95-degree FOV AI lens. So it's two lens camera, so it can offer the PIP function to see the speaker and the whole view about the meeting room at the same time. And second one, he offered the HDMI port to do the HDMI output, so we can use HDMI to enable the dual display and three-way output. And the third one is gesture control. So this camera can use gesture to control the camera to do the run in, run out, and the AI features. And the fourth one is Smart Gallery. Smart Gallery is a different kind of meeting room experience to offer you different kind of meeting room. And the big one is dynamic framing. Dynamic framing enhances meeting efficiency because of dual lens. So dual lens can offer the different kind of view to trigger the meeting room to be more efficient and quickly and precisely. And the last one, because of this camera with Sony 4K True WDR sensor, so he can offer the enterprise-grade image quality. Okay, so for the first one is dual lens. Dual lens offer the wide angle clarity, so we can see the spec here. For the PTZ camera lens 1, we offer the 12 times optical zoom, total 24 times total room. So, and also it offers the 85-degree FOV to capture all detail in the meeting room. It also offers a wide pan and tail movement to capture the whole meeting room. For the second lens is the AI lens. So AI lens offers the 95-degree FOV to capture the whole participant in the meeting room. So because of dual lens, we can do the dynamic framing. You can see on the slide on the left hand side, when the PTZ camera do the framing to all participants in the meeting room, you can see the AI lens capture all 4 people in the meeting room. And when the newcomer walk into this meeting room, you can see on the right hand side slide on the corner, new participant come in, and the AI lens will trigger to the main lens to capture all participants again to do the framing. Also, because of dual lens, we can offer the PIP function, it means the picture in picture. So we can see the main lens to capture the speaker and the AI lens to show the all participants at the same time. Also, because he offered the HDMI port and based on the USB and RJ45 port, so you can see on the slide, CAM550 can connect with USB cable to your NUC, your laptop, your PC to show the one screen on the your NUC or laptop. And another one, we can connect with HDMI cable to another monitor to show another screen. And third one, we can use our Ethernet port to connect with RJ45 cable to do the IP streaming, so it can offer the three-way output at the same time. And third one, we also use the gesture control to enhance the meeting room experience. So in the meeting room, you can use the gesture to do the run in, run out, and turn on or turn off the tracking only by your gesture, your hand. You don't need to use the remote control or your PC to control the camera. And the fourth one, the Smart Gallery. Smart Gallery offers a different kinds of meeting room experience. It's like we have offered 2 modes. One mode is handshot mode to show every participant head, and another mode is hot body mode. And the big one is dynamic framing, as I mentioned before, because of dual lens. So it can quickly and precisely focus on the participant and the newcomer. Also, because of the dual lens, we can do the preset framing. Preset framing is mean when the presenter on the in front of whiteboard or blackboard and or the monitor they want to show, the presenter can walk into this preset zone. So we need to set the preset zone in advance. So let the camera to capture this preset zone when the participant or presenter walk into this preset zone, and it can automatically check the presenter on the preset zone. So you can see on the slide, for example, when the presenter just set a preset 1 to preset 4 on the whiteboard, and when the presenter walks around this 4 preset zone, the camera will capture the presenter in this 4 preset zone. And the last one, because of the Sony 4K True WDR sensor, so we can offer the enterprise grade image quality. So on some environment, like on the left hand side, if you have a strong light on your background, so when you turn off the True WDR, you cannot see the clear on the participant. But if you turn on the True WDR, you can see on the middle of slide, all participants and the background are more clear in this environment. And eventually, the best quality and the service AVer offer, we all CAM550 made with Qualcomm technology and all made in Taiwan. And once you purchase the CAM550, we offer the 3 years warranty to ensure your product quality. That's it is the introduction about the CAM550. Thank you. Hi everyone, and this is the CAM550. And as you can see, this one is the main lens, the PDG lens, and on the bottom, this one is air lens, so it's a dual lens camera. And on the back port, you can see here, from the right hand side here, you can see the HDMI port, USB port, and RS232, and the Ethernet port here. Okay, so this one is the CAM550. So hi everyone, we will now just demonstration about the auto framing. So currently you can see I also enable the PIV function here. So for the main lens is on the big screen. And for air lens, you can see on the right corner here, the small lens here, and show the all meeting room here. So in this feature, it will automatically capture the people who in the meeting room. Okay, so currently just me and Eric in the meeting room, so he just framed me and Eric to a suitable position. And I just let Eric just left this meeting room. And you can see the camera will trigger and to auto frame me again. And currently I just let Eric come back to the meeting room. And you can see the camera will do the auto frame again to capture the all participants. So that is auto framing. Okay, and this feature is called preset framing. Preset framing is a feature you need to set up the preset area in advance. And this preset area needs to overlap to each one. And when the presenter walks through in this preset area, the camera will automatically check the presenter to frame the specific area. Just like right now, I have already preset the area in advance, and I just walk around in this preset area, and the camera will follow me to frame the certificate area where the presenter is. So we call the preset framing. Okay, so right now I want to show you a feature. It's called the gesture control. Gesture control is easy. You just need to put your hand and you do some gesture. You can do the run in, run out, and turn on and turn off the AI feature. Okay, so currently just right now I just raise my hand up above my head. And the camera will automatically recognize your gesture and do the routine, right? Okay, and another feature, when you just put your head near your ear, you will do the routine. And also, you just put your head here like that. You turn on the AI feature. And also, again, I just like here and off the AI. And also, again, raise my head up above my head. And the camera will do the routine. Okay, so this is gesture control. Hi everyone, so we are now going to show you how to set up the Smart Gallery. So first, you need to turn on the PTZ app too, and goes to the Smart Gallery page here. And currently we use the CAM550 to do the Smart Gallery, but Smart Gallery support model not only on the CAM550, we have the VB342 Pro, and this model here up to the VB350 have support the Smart Gallery. And then we can start here, and you can see we have the two layout options. One option is the headshot mode, another is half body mode. And I select the headshot mode first, and we can press the camera to check the invision here. Okay, so then we back to your software. Currently we use the Teams. And you need to go to the setting page here. And you can find the camera source here. And because I'm using the CAM550 here, but if you want to enable the Smart Gallery feature, you must to select the AVer USB beacon. Again, you need to select the AVer USB beacon here. Okay, and we turn on the camera. Okay, so you can see me and Eric in the Smart Gallery feature. And also, we can select another mode here, a body mode, and we back to the PTZ2, we back to the Teams. You can see is hot body mode. So this is how we set up Smart Gallery.